In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Meta AI button on WhatsApp. Before we start, it's important to know one key thing. For most WhatsApp users, there is currently no official way to completely remove or hide the Meta AI button. Meta AI is built into WhatsApp, and on many devices, there simply is no setting available to turn it off. So, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check whether your version of WhatsApp includes that option and what you can realistically do if it doesn't. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap the three dots in the top corner to open the menu, then go into Settings. Inside Settings, select Chats. This is where WhatsApp places many conversation-related options, and it's also the place where some users may find the Meta AI visibility setting. Now look for an option called Show Meta AI button. If you see that setting, tap it and turn it off. Once it's disabled, the Meta AI button should be hidden from your app. If your version includes this option, that's the official and simplest way to manage it. However, if you go into Chats and you do not see a setting called Show Meta AI button, that usually means your version of WhatsApp does not support hiding it. And this is the situation many users are currently running into, even on fully updated versions of the app. So if the setting is missing, it's not necessarily something you did wrong, and it doesn't always mean your app is outdated. In many cases, WhatsApp simply hasn't provided that option on your account or device. If that setting isn't there, the only thing you can do is reduce how visible Meta AI feels in your daily use. One way is to delete the Meta AI chat if it appears in your chat list. You can also mute the Meta AI chat so it doesn't draw attention with notifications. And beyond that, the best approach is simply to avoid tapping the Meta AI button and avoid using @Meta AI mentions in chats. So the practical answer is very straightforward. If your WhatsApp has a Show Meta AI button setting, you can turn it off and hide the button. If your app does not have that setting, then at the moment, there is no official way through WhatsApp settings to hide it completely. I hope this helps you quickly figure out what's possible on your version of WhatsApp and saves you time searching through settings that may not be there.